Kita ke informasi lainnya pemirsa, laga melawan Australia, Timnas Indonesia akan diperkuat sejumlah pemain yang baru dinaturalisasi. Sementara tuan rumah Australia tak akan diperkuat sejumlah pemain pilar karena cedera. Lalu seperti apa susunan pemain dan strategi kedua tim? Berikut informasinya untuk Anda.
Timnas Indonesia akan menghadapi tantangan berat saat bertandang ke markas Timnas Australia di laga lanjutan Grup C, putaran ketiga kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026. Ini menjadi tantangan besar bagi pelatih Patrick Kluivert yang akan menjalani laga perdananya bersama Timnas Indonesia. Menghadapi tuan rumah, skuad Indonesia dalam kondisi baik. Namun mereka akan menjalani pertandingan tanpa Egy Maulana Fikri yang cedera, lalu Ragnar Oratmangun dan Justin Hubner yang terkena akumulasi kartu. Timnas Australia akan menjamu Indonesia dengan kondisi sejumlah pemain inti yang cedera, di antaranya Harry Souttar, Nestori Irakunda, dan Alessandro Kirkati. Namun mereka tetap diprediksi bisa mempersulit timnas, mengingat skuad besutan Tony Popovic belum kalah di laga kualifikasi Piala Dunia. Socceroos targetkan mempertahankan rekor positif agar peluang tampil di Piala Dunia semakin besar. Dengan formasi 3-4-3, tuan rumah Australia akan tampil dengan sejumlah pemain debutan, di antaranya bek Alex Grant. Kemudian ada gelandang veteran Jackson Irvine, serta kiper dan kapten Matthew Ryan, dan penyerang Craig Goodwin. Sementara skuad Garuda datang dengan komposisi tambahan pemain naturalisasi baru di bawah pelatih Patrick Kluivert, seperti Joey Palupesi dan Ole Romeni. Diprediksi dengan formasi 4-3-3, nama Martin Pas masih menjadi andalan di bawah Mister Gawang. Sementara di lini belakang, absennya Justin Hubner akan digantikan oleh Kevin Dix. Duel Australia versus Indonesia akan berlangsung pada Kamis sore di Sydney Football Stadium. Hasil positif di kandang Australia bisa membuat kans skuad Garuda lolos ke Piala Dunia 2026 semakin besar. Tim Liputan iNews melaporkan.
Sementara itu pelatih Timnas Indonesia Patrick Kluivert bersama bek Cai Ides memberikan keterangan pers di Sydney, Australia. Keterangan pers berlangsung sehari sebelum pertandingan melawan tuan rumah Australia.
Pelatih Timnas Indonesia Patrick Kluivert menjelaskan persiapan Cai Ides dan kawan-kawan. Meski keterbatasan waktu menjadi tantangan besar, namun Kluivert menyatakan hal itu bukan alasan dan timnas siap menghadapi Australia.
True, all the things you say are true, but that's not an excuse, of course. The challenges are there to accomplish, and we're ready. Although the situation that you just mentioned, those are the situations that are unfortunately the truth. But I think the team is ready. They know what we expect tomorrow. So we look forward to play the match tomorrow. No, changing is impossible at the moment. But of course, there's things I don't have to explain here. But there will be some things change. But that's between us. Well, the training of yesterday was fantastic. I need to say that because we don't have any time to do our thing that we want to do. But the things that we did yesterday and what we're going today give me a very good expectation. The vibe in the group is good. The exercises that we do, they were brought up and picked up very quickly. So the boys are getting very quickly the things that we want from the training exercises. I like to play football, and I watch, of course, every games. The most important thing is that we do our thing and respect Australia. So you will see tomorrow what we're going to do.
Dalam keterangan pers, Kluivert juga memberikan apresiasi kepada pelatih Timnas Indonesia sebelumnya, Sintayong. Kluivert pun akan berusaha memberikan segala sesuatunya dengan sebaik mungkin untuk timnas.
If I can, well, I tried my best, of course. It's not easy. As Jay just said, the coach Inte was there for 5 years, did a very good job. A lot of respect he earned in Indonesia, and well respected. But yeah, 2 days training, players are coming in quite late. But again, that's not an excuse. Also, players from Australia came in late, from Europe or whatever. But we're ready, and that's the most important thing. And the expectations, of course, there's always expectation, and we're doing our best to accomplish the expectations.
Sementara itu, bek sekaligus kapten Timnas Jai Ijes mengekspresikan keyakinannya terhadap Timnas Indonesia yang akan bertanding melawan Australia di Sydney Football Stadium pada Kamis petang. Jai meyakini Timnas Indonesia kini tak bisa diremehkan dan kedepannya juga akan semakin diperhitungkan.
The federation is doing a great job with attracting new players to play for Indonesia, to play for their family, to play for their country, like me as well, like I did almost over 1 year ago. No, I think they're doing a great job in it, and for me, my message is when new players arrive that even though we come from different parts of the world, we were born in different places, we still fight for the same colors, and we still have a duty to defend and represent the country. So that's more or less what I'm saying. And I think everybody that has arrived now, even though it's been a couple of days and already before with other new players that arrived, I think they've integrated really well in the group. And I think the vibe in the group is really well as well. My short answer will be, we'll see tomorrow. That will be my short answer. But I think, yes, I think we showed already the last year, more or less, maybe a little bit more, that Indonesia is a country that has to be dealt with. I think we've showed it as well in this group already. The first game, what you mentioned, against Australia and also against the other teams. Also in November, the last game we won against Saudi Arabia, which was the first time ever also a win in this round for our country. So you see we're developing and building inside the organization. So yeah. Going back to my first answer, we will see tomorrow.
Timnas Indonesia akan melakoni pertandingan grup C di Sydney Football Stadium Kamis pukul 4:10 waktu Indonesia Barat. Laga menghadapi Australia akan menjadi penampilan debut Patrick Kluivert bersama skuad